Y'all know I'm all about butter, and I love compound butters. So I'm just gonna share with y'all a quick recipe for a compound butter that just can add a nice kick to, gosh, you can put this on vegetables. You can put it, I just got me a cracker out because I'm not cooking anything that right now that I could put it on, but like a piece of salmon, a piece of chicken, a steak, a pork chop, anything. So we're gonna start with
potato,
rice. So we're gonna start with 1 stick of softened butter, and I'm gonna use the zest of 1 lime. This lime is, ooh, it smells so flavorful. Let me lay that down. See that? Yeah. That's easier than me trying to hold that in my air. You know, I just love, like I said, compound butters, because they make great little gifts. You put them in a pretty little jar, put a little piece of cloth on the top or a pretty little ribbon around it and give it as a housewarming gift. You know, if you're going to somebody's house for dinner. And you can make them sweet or savory. I think that's good. And we're gonna use 1 adobe pepper in the adobe, it's a chipotle pepper, excuse me, in the adobe sauce. So I'm just gonna take 1 pepper, that's all it calls for. So I'm just gonna mince this up, and seeds and all are going in here. So you might wanna.
Michael's gonna be happy.
Yes. So you might wanna warn people that this could have a little heat to it. Hey, little Mike is in here just in time to have a chipotle pepper.
No, man.
Okay. Now we're gonna need a little cilantro, a couple of tablespoons of cilantro. Ooh, it's strong smelling. Real strong, and it looks just like parsley. If you're not careful, it looks like the curly, well, actually between the flat leaf and the curly. Okay, so we're just gonna give that a little chop. So if whoever you're feeding, if they don't like cilantro, I wouldn't make this butter.
But you can do basil and
Oh yeah,
you can do like an Italian one.
Yes, I have made many a compound butter using basil and thyme.
Rosemary's good.
Yes, a little rosemary. Yes.
It's a fun one that you can play with and use whatever you like.
Yes. Yes, I mean there's a lot of just, all you need is to bring your imagination.
And it's so pretty in a presentation with like a steak. You know how you have your steak and you slice it and it just lays over the top?
Right, because you'd want to refrigerate this naturally. And I'm going to just roll mine up in wax paper so it'll be like in a log so we can slice it. make sure that pepper gets all mixed up in it. So somebody doesn't just get one whole pepper. If you were making a bunch, I'm gonna move over here. That makes it just a little high for me. So I'm gonna move it over here where it's closer to the ground. Look how pretty that is with the cilantro in it.
Smell it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm just going to take my spatula. I'll do it like this.
Can you smell it?
I can smell the lime.
Mm-hmm.
You can smell the lime. Mm. Now before I wrap this up, I'm going to take just a wee little bit and I mean a wee little bit. I'm afraid I want to get a little bit of the
Pepper?
the chipotle, yes,
Mm.
but I don't want to burn myself either. All right, so let's see. That is so good. I didn't put much, so I don't feel any heat.
I bet though, as it sits in the
chicken,
refrigerator, I bet give it a couple
But-
of hours and it's gonna be like
All right,
the
I'm
bomb. And now you're getting brave.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting cocky now.
Look at it.
It's a little heat, but not much.
Oh, so you're just gonna send me?
Well, that's how much I had. So good, isn't it?
That's very good.
Eddie, would you like one?
This is a very good cracker too.
Uh-huh. Oh, there. Like,
It's very fresh.
yeah, so fresh. And,
I'm gonna have to take this to some people.
I know. Like I
That's a
said,
combination I would never have even.
I know it. Alright, just gonna, like I said, shape this into a nice little log and put it in the refrigerator. And, you know, we cook a lot of pork tenderloins around here. Oh my goodness, how wonderful would that be on a pork tenderloin?
Fantabulous.
Yes.
Look how pretty.
We used to do this in the restaurant a lot, you know, and slice it and put it on a fish if we were serving a fish or something. But I can tell you right now, Michael would like more chipotle peppers in it. But
Well,
it's
that's why we'll keep the
delicious.
can for him.
And so are these crackers. Would you like a whole cracker? Eddie, would you like a cracker?
No, thanks.
They're just so good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. And these are just from the grocery store in kind of the gourmet
Section.
of crackers and cookies. So good. So that's it. That's our tip for the day. Chipotle butter.
If anybody knows flavors that they do, they should send them to us.
Mm-hmm. That's a great idea. So y'all out there that make compound butters, send it to us. And we'll have another way to eat our butter.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.